Hey everybody, I am back with my craft room organization series. So initially I was going to do every Monday, but I am thinking that as much as possible, I am going to try and upload these daily. And that way I can get them out for you guys. But I want to tell you my number one tip for organizing your craft room before I even get into how I am going to store my stencils, which is, are you ready? Destashing. I know so many of us hold on to those paper collections or those stamps or whatever, the embellishments and everything that we love and, oh, we might use it one day. Be realistic. We're not going to use it all. So, first off is get rid of things that you don't want to use or that you aren't going to use and that have been sitting in your craft room for years or even months, depending on how long you've been crafting. That way you can start fresh and just organize what you know you're going to use, and it will make it so much easier in the end. It freed up so much space in my craft room, and now I can organize my craft room more efficiently and ways that are going to help me not go insane trying to look for things. Hopefully, this isn't an end all be all. This isn't anything crazy, but hopefully I will come up with some good solutions here. All right, as you saw, I had my stencils in this paper organizer at first, which I absolutely loved for the longest time because I could bring it to my workspace and just kind of take them out and flip through them. But as I got more and more, it was just busting at the seams and it was harder and harder to find the ones that I wanted. So I had this storage box or bin in my closet, and I just decided that it would be easier to have them laid out like this. I went back and forth between putting them in a binder. A lot of people had suggested that, or putting them on a metal rod to flip through them. This was cheap. I didn't pay anything extra, and I can have it in my Raskog cart, and I can bring it to my craft space if I need to, flip through them very easily, as you could see. I know this video is short, and I hope that it is not disappointing because I know a lot of people have struggled with organizing their stencils, but this is how I'm going to do mine for now. I did not take the time to organize them a specific way because I know myself and I know how I create. It will not stay that way, so I did not waste my time. But this way I could, like I said, flip through them very easy, and it works for me. That is going to complete this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite storage solutions are in your own craft room. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.